Hi, I'm David Bonasera with ESP Sales. And regarding with MB Stone Care, we've looked a lot at wet areas and how to clean up wet areas. Most people that have natural stone don't really know how to take care of their stone, and they use the wrong products, which damages it. One of the things is this, MB3. MB3 is a great soap film remover. And when I say it's a great soap film remover, because there's nothing in the industry like it that I know of. And in 31 years of working in stone, I have found this to be phenomenal. You see, everybody needs soap in their shower, but soap is a food source for mold. So get rid of it safely with MB3. The other product that I use a lot is MB9. MB9 is a mildew remover, and it's safe for stone. One of the factors, of course, in your shower doors, leave it open after you're done. Don't keep it closed and allow the moisture to manifest into your stone. This is a great natural stone remover for fungus and mildew. One of the other products that also is really, really good for the shower floors, MB26. MB26 is a great stain scrub. And when I say that, it's because on the shower floor, you have hard water, body oils, and soap scum. And most of the girls, when they go and they clean, they wipe, they don't scrub. Start using the MB26 stain scrub with a stiff nylon brush and start working out all the minerals, the body oils, and the hard water and soap to get rid of that in the shower floor and to keep your grout looking great forever. Thank you.
Sounded good.
Okay.